a SwitchBlade. I just had the flu. You know, we gon' kill it though. It don't matter what nobody say. You know, cause we like that. You know, I love everybody. I love everything. Shit, just let y'all know I'm finna kill y'all niggas though. Don't matter though, not to me. Everyone's the same, but fuck you, little bitch, I'm not. A nigga's itching for a stain, stay out the way, I can't get shot. Gotta stay away from girly girl, I heard she burning hot. I got my baby, know we working out, and I ain't talking squat. Tuck my blade up in my sock, put on the gloves and get in rock. Post a couple of my news, now baby feeding for the cop. All I needed was a hug, but that bitch left me out the rock. But I done found a better one, and can't nobody have a spot. I don't give a shit about these niggas, they ain't on shit. Pull out my SwitchBlade, that nigga full of hoes quick. AK get the dump and bet that nigga hit the toes quick. Chillin' with my nigga Jody, but I call him Zoe. Nigga think he better, got a lyrical Beretta. When I aim in this, then bitch you getting whack and you ain't special. White these niggas out, then I replace them with my extras. Where I'm stacking up my bread just like a nerd trying to beat Tetris. Or better yet, Monopoly, I'm more focused on property. Killer camp, she throwing ass way over in the Valley P. Tell that girl I want her bad, I swear ain't nothing stopping me. Like if I set a play that we gon' finish, call that audibly. And we all know that when I set a trend, they get the following. We all know that all of them just can't handle my honesty. And we all know these niggas poking around just trying to bother me. But if I slay him dead, then I might switch to Sleepy Halloween. Chopper Tina turn around the corner, this your final warning. That be hitting high note just like Triple K on blocks we swarming. I don't even gotta rap out violence, sound of violence. I'll rip a nigga any day, gon' tell him don't stop trying shit. With my nigga Blownin', we gon' stomp him in his mouth. He was pissing all the cat just like the wolf blew down his house. And me and Sparkle like we both come from the dirty south. If I get K'd out on your ass, so fuck your hoe down on your couch. Peace to all my niggas, know I had to shout them out, but now I'm back on topic for my baby. Y'all clutch on the rocket, but I prefer a weapon that won't send his ass to heaven. So when I pull out my SwitchBlade, I suggest he get to stepping. Whitey tried to hit me with a right, I had to left him. Then I pulled my bow and arrow, left him Ferdinand Magellan. And that nigga was poison, had to kick him out my circle. Went against the blade, I had to cut him short like a commercial. And baby girl so fine, swear I be licking on the dermals. Now she pulling down my pants, you know I love it when she gurgle. Ladies DTN because they heard them color purple. Look, don't worry baby girl, cause I'ma give you all the Virgil. Moon walking on the beat, but please don't call me Herschel. Punk nigga trying me, I stomped his balls, now he infertile. I don't even follow rules to them, man, that's they main problem. And every time that I look at that girl, I see 100,000. If he wanted this, I'll show that nigga just what I'm about and cap him in his ass. And now that boy looking like Robert Townsend. Ooh, yeah. Said cap him in his ass, and now that boy looking like Robert Townsend. Man, that's a motherfucking Parenthood reference. Y'all niggas won't get that shit. I'm on a whole nother level. I love y'all niggas though, yeah.